Welcome back to VUDU Garage. Today we've got a Mk8 Fiesta ST in, so this car is coming in for a new exhaust system. As you'll probably know anyway, on the new Mk8 Fiesta ST they actually come with a valved exhaust system, so as you change through your different drive modes it's going to change and adjust whether obviously the valve's open or not, changing the soundtrack that comes from the car. Now this particular Milltek that the customer selected, he's gone for a valve system again, so he has got that ability to differentiate between whether it's open or closed. I do believe that they actually make systems without that, so you might get a wilder and deeper tone from start to finish opposed to it changing within drive modes and so on. Now we'll take a little walk around the workshop, we'll have a look at the standard exhaust system, we'll also take the car out on the road so we can hear what it sounds like stock anyway, and then we'll fit the new exhaust system, again go out on the road, do a few revs, a couple of pulls so you get a good comparison as to what the car sounds like stock in comparison to with this new Milltek exhaust system on it. So we'll go see Elliot, we'll go and see what he's up to, we'll have a little look around the actual fitting and what's required, and yeah, we'll just take a look at the car in general because this is the first one that we've actually had in the workshop. So hope you like the video. We'll leave all the links to the Milltek exhaust system that's actually going to be going on this car in the description below, so you can grab yours if you want to, and make sure you're liking and subscribing to the channel. So Elliot's finally got the car back on the floor. The new Milltek exhaust system is now fitted to the car as well. A lot of people seem to be very apprehensive about how this particular car is going to sound, obviously with it being only a 3-cylinder 1.5. It sounds pretty impressive if I'm honest. I think to be fair it sounded pretty decent stock anyway. I think it's one of those that camera doesn't do any justice for it. You have to hear it in the flesh. So what we'll do is we'll flick to some shots of the car revving in the workshop. Unfortunately my suction cup has decided don't want to play ball this time, so we're not going to be able to get it out on the road and actually listen to it under a bit of load, but nevertheless we'll do a few revs. It does sound really good in fairness to it, so I'll make sure I leave all the links to the Milltek exhaust system in the description below. I'll leave a link to the full Mk8 collection that we've got as well, so make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much.